If you own a carpet cleaning business and you want to book more jobs, then stick around and watch the rest of today's video. I'm Reuben with SearchParty Marketing, and we help carpet cleaners win more customers. And this week, as always, we've got a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First of all, I want to talk about Yelp. Yelp is launching a new request a call feature. I don't talk a lot about Yelp on this channel, but a buddy of mine sent me an email and said, hey, you might want to know about this because it would apply to carpet cleaners. And he's absolutely right. So Yelp is launching request a call feature. Basically what happens is if you're already getting Yelp messages, you might be aware that customers can get on Yelp and decide, I want to hire a carpet cleaner this week, and they can request quotes from local carpet cleaners. The way that works now is you get a message on Yelp and you reply within the Yelp app and send a message back to the customer and try to arrange a quote. Now, a customer, instead of messaging back and forth with you in the Yelp app, they can say, listen, I really prefer to talk on the phone. Why don't I have this carpet cleaner call me? I'm going to request a call from this cleaner. And then you, the carpet cleaner, can call the customer and firm up the quote and book the appointment if it's a good deal. So Yelp is now offering this request a call feature if you're using a Yelp profile for your carpet cleaning business, and I recommend that you do. Even if you're not going to advertise with Yelp, that's okay. I always recommend carpet cleaners have a Yelp profile. Ask for some reviews on Yelp. I know Yelp says not to ask for reviews. And so if they watch this video, ignore that part. Don't ask for reviews, but hopefully your customers will be happy enough to leave you some reviews on your Yelp profile, right? Hopefully some customers will leave you happy reviews on that Yelp profile. It'll actually help with your SEO. It'll help you get found. Google likes to see that your business has multiple profiles out there with your name and address and phone number on them. Yelp is a major one. If you're in the carpet cleaning business, Google expects to see a Yelp profile associated with your carpet cleaning business. So you should get a Yelp profile, verify it, and then turn on messaging and turn on this new request to call feature. Give it a try. Yelp, I hear mixed results from some cleaners. Some cleaners really love Yelp and they spend money advertising with them. Other cleaners have not had such great results, but it's worth trying in your area. If you're looking for something to do that is, besides Google ads, Facebook ads, your website, postcards, door hangers, everything else you could do, word of mouth, referrals, Yelp is definitely worth taking a look at. And if you're on Yelp already, you might as well turn this feature on and give it a try. Moving on to Google Business Profile. This one I know for a fact pretty much all of you are using. If you're not already using a Google Business Profile for your carpet cleaning business, you are majorly missing out. If you have a Google Business Profile, Google is now offering integration with Google Meet and Zoom and Webex and Skype so that you can connect with your customers via video in real time. Now, this is a really cool feature. I saw it inside of a client's Google Business Profile the other day. It wasn't set up yet, but here's some screenshots of what it looks like. What you're looking for on your main page of your Google Business Profile, where you manage your Google Business Profile, is this little tab, this little message that says, connect in real time with video. And the way I would envision a carpet cleaner using this, obviously, is just hopping on a Google Meet or a Zoom or even a Skype call and having a customer walk you through the house to show you the areas they want cleaned, right? So especially if you're doing per room pricing or something like that, this would be really easy for you because you could arrange a time to hop on a Zoom call or a Google Meet with somebody, have them show you the rooms they need cleaned. You get an idea of how big those rooms are. Ask what kind of furniture you're going to have to move. Ask the customer to show you the specific spots. They could get down and show you the spot with their phone on the Google Meet call or on the Zoom call. This could be really useful for a carpet cleaner who doesn't want to have to go out and do in-person quotes. And personally, I hated going out and doing in-person quotes. I tried never to do that. Whenever I could avoid going out in person, I would try to give a quote over the phone, especially residential. I never went out and did residential quotes when I was cleaning carpets personally. It was just easier for me to give a quote over the phone and try to book as many jobs as possible that way. So if I were still running my carpet cleaning business today, I would certainly be turning this feature on and I would be asking customers, especially those customers who they're a little shaky on what they want cleaned or how many rooms they have, or if they're saying things like, yeah, it's a little bit of a bigger room in the basement, right? You know what that means is 1,000 or 1,200 square foot basement that they're trying to pass off as one little bedroom, right? Just the traffic areas. The Google Meet or Zoom could be a great way for you to get a better idea of what you're quoting before you actually show up to the customer's house. So test it out. I haven't seen anybody using this. If you're a carpet cleaner who's using this feature successfully already, I really want to hear about it. Let me know. Leave a comment below. Tell me about it in the comments and tell me where your Google Business Profile is, and I'll go check it out and see how you're using this. So tell me about it if you're using Google Meet or Zoom integrated with your Google Business Profile to do quotes for your carpet cleaning customers. Next up, Nice Job. Nice Job, if you haven't heard of it, they're an automated software to help you get more reviews on Google, Facebook, Yelp, and elsewhere. Really excellent software. Nice Job has a really great reputation in the carpet cleaning industry. They've helped a lot of carpet cleaners get more reviews. And if you don't already know, having more reviews will help you grow your business and make more money. Right now, Nice Job is offering an exclusive discount that you can't get from just anywhere. All right. So Nice Job's offering 50% off for the first 4 months with Nice Job. You also get a 14-day free trial when you sign up. But here's the catch. You have to sign up through a partner link. I'm a partner. I'll include my partner link in the description below. So if you want to get the 50% off deal for the next 4 months from Nice Job, click on my link and sign up through that. You'll sign up for a 14-day free trial. So you get 14 days to try the software for free, decide if you like it, hopefully get it set up and start using it. Then after that, put your credit card information in right away and you'll get your 50% off for the first 4 months with Nice Job. That'll give you 4 months where you can collect as many reviews as possible on Google, Facebook, boost up your website for the summer, right? Try to get your Google business profile boosted up for the summer with a few more fresh reviews from recent customers. See if you like the software. If it works for you, and I think it will, it's worked for a lot of carpet cleaners that I know personally. If it works for you, keep it. Keep using Nice Job and it'll help you grow your business. If it doesn't work for you for some reason, feel free to cancel. But you get 14 days free, completely free to try it, and then you get 50% off for the next 4 months. So be sure to click my partner link in the description. Full disclosure, I do earn a small fee from Nice Job if I refer people over to them. That's how I can afford to continue doing this channel and providing content to carpet cleaners to help them grow their business. So if you want that discount, click my partner link and go get 50% off from Nice Job. By the way, that expires on the 21st of June. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. This deal expires on the 21st of June. So you got to act fast. Today's June 10th or 11th, right? So you've only got about a week and a half left to claim this deal. You got to start that free trial if you want to get the 50% off. It's got to be started before the 21st of June, 2022. All right. So moving on, Nice Job, 50% off. I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you try it. I hope you get some more reviews and I hope you can grow your business with that software. Next, the big topic this week. And this topic actually bumped the topic that I had planned. So if you haven't heard already, Google released what's called the Google May 2022 Core Algorithm Update. Google updates their algorithm all the time. They release hundreds of updates to the algorithm throughout the year. What that means is Google changes how they rank websites in their search results. They change how they grade those websites, how they determine who gets to rank at what page in Google and what position on those pages. Google updated this algorithm in May, and it was a major update. And when Google releases major updates, they tell us about these updates. They announce those updates publicly because Google realizes that some business owners are going to see their websites move up or down or gain or lose traffic, and they're going to say, what the heck's going on? So Google, after years of releasing these updates in the quiet, right now they just tell us when they're doing these big updates. So May 2022 Core Algorithm Update has been rolling out. They usually take a week or two for these updates to roll out. It should be fully rolled out by now. According to Google, these core updates, they're designed to increase the overall relevancy of search results and make them more helpful and more useful for everyone, right? That's what Google's trying to do when they update their search results. So if you're a carpet cleaning business, more than likely you weren't impacted by this. Looking at all the sites I manage for my clients, I haven't seen anybody's traffic take a hit. I haven't seen anybody's ranking take a hit, nothing like that. There was some fluctuations in rankings for a little while, and that's pretty normal during an algorithm update. You'll see your rankings start to fluctuate a little bit on Google. You might notice if you were ranking number 1 or number 2, suddenly you're moving around on page 1 a little bit. When Google's releasing an update, that's totally normal. It happens. I did notice that with a couple clients, but ultimately everybody settled kind of right back where they were, which is right towards the top of Google. So I didn't notice any issues with my clients. My personal thought on these types of algorithm updates is that as long as you're not doing anything, gray hat, black hat SEO, any kind of sketchy type SEO behavior, as long as your site's not critically broken or really poorly designed or outdated or something, then for the most part, you should be fine. Google releases these updates all the time. They're not putting these out in order to hurt small businesses. Google's not out there just hoping to kill your carpet cleaning business this summer. No, Google's just trying to make sure that the most relevant businesses are getting up to the top. And so if you have a website that's been updated recently, has been built recently, then you should be fine. That's it for the Google May 2022 Core Algorithm Update. If your site was affected, positively or negatively, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. But like I said, most of my clients were unaffected by this. I was going to talk today about Google ads, Google local service ads, and some of the common misconceptions that people have when they come from a local service ads campaign to a full Google ads campaign. I don't have time to go into that today now. I wanted to make sure we covered the May 2022 Core Algorithm Update instead. But if you want to hear about common mistakes that people make when they're moving from a Google local service ads campaign to a Google ads campaign. I could talk about that in a future video. Let me know if you want to hear about that. Leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll make that video for you guys at a later date. Next up, this is kind of a personal note. So I've been helping companies, especially cleaners, carpet cleaners, under my brand, SearchParty Marketing, for almost 8 years now, believe it or not. I have operated as SearchParty Marketing for a long time, even before I started working with carpet cleaners. And so I am going to be updating my brand pretty soon here. I'm not going to announce it today. I'm not going to announce the new brand, but I'm going to be rebranding to reflect the fact that I really only work with cleaning companies. So more on that later. I just wanted to give you, my YouTube subscribers, kind of an advance notice that that's going to be happening. So if you've watched me or followed me as SearchParty Marketing for the last couple of years, I'm going to be changing things, changing my brand pretty soon here. So more on that later. That's really all I've got for you this week. Hit subscribe if you own a carpet cleaning business and you want to book more jobs. If you have any questions about anything I talked about in today's video, leave me a comment. I do try to reply to everybody. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.